What's up, guys? Today is a big day. We are celebrating a successful, great year. We've done so much, and I'm proud of these two for growing so much. So we're taking this time to really sit back, relax, and remember to enjoy life. Today we talked about kind of our goals and our passions, what we care about, the people we care about, and the things we want in life. Today I'm treating them to a... You're scared? I didn't tell them where we're going.
Do you know it, Christina?
I have a feeling. I don't think he's gonna do it, but I don't know. I have a feeling.
What does this feel? You guys have too much high expectations for what we're doing. Well, we're gonna do something fun. Just a reminder to, no matter what's going on in life, to enjoy life and live life as it is and have fun. All right, y'all ready? All right, guys, we're going on a helicopter ride. So we're gonna take some shots in front of this helicopter. We're gonna take photos in front of the helicopter. Thanks. This way, you guys. We're on our way to the helicopter. Is it that one?
No, he's gonna fly in.
Oh, cool.
He's gonna come land and then we'll load you guys up.
I was gonna say that's bigger than I thought.
So the way that this is gonna happen is I'm gonna load you guys one at a time. So we'll wait until he lands and then we'll walk up and I'll tell you where to stand. There's a line on the ground. I'll tell you to stand on the line.
Probably then.
Like that's him. And then I'll load one person. Who wants to be in the front? Who wants to be in the back?
I think I'll be in the front, they'll be in the back.
Yeah? Cool. Perfect.
Does it matter the order we go in?
No.
Okay, I'll go in last.
Okay, cool. Perfect.
Phone down. Look like a badass. Up to you guys. Or maybe I'll go in first so that I can record you going in. For me, I don't really care. Actually, yeah. I'll go first. Can I go to the front? Oh, cool. Oh, yeah.
Don't step there and do not step here, okay? Kind of hold on a little bit.
Hello. Thank you. Go ahead. Don't step there.
Oh, careful not to step on the floor.
Nice. How was it?
Fun. It's
Fun.
pretty. Like perfect timing.
Nice.
Yeah.
What?
Am I blocking it?
Do you mind?